مرحبا، أهلا وسهلا بالجميع. هذه الحلقة الأولى من سلسلة Speaking Part 2، وفيها رح نتعلم الكلمات والقواعد وطريقة الإجابة وشو يقصد الأستاذ وشو هي الأشياء اللي يركز عليها الأستاذ وأنت تتكلم. فهذا رح يكون جدا مفيد لك. فيه كذلك idioms، وأنا ما أحب أسجل في بداية كل فيديو لأن الهدف أنك تستفيد منه في بأشياء كثيرة، مثلا الاستماع، ثانيا الفوكاب اللي تتعلمه، ثلاثة طريقة الرد، عناصر الإجابة اللي لازم تقولها، ونصائح ثمينة كذلك. فأسأل الله أن يفيدكم به، وعشان ما في كل مرة تسمعوا المقدمة اللي أقولها أنا على طول بتحصل الجزء الثاني والثالث وهكذا. موفقين إن شاء الله.
Welcome to IELTS Slowcast with Taoufeeq, your AI-powered guide for mastering the IELTS speaking test, step by step. Each episode is designed to help Arab learners achieve fast and guaranteed improvement. Listen carefully, shadow my voice, and repeat the lessons again and again. Continuous listening and shadowing will 100% improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. Now, we begin a new stage. IELTS Speaking Part 2, also called the cue card section. In this part, the examiner will give you a small card with a question and several points. You will have exactly 1 minute to prepare your ideas. During this 1 minute, you should not write full sentences, only short key words to help you remember what to say. Then you will speak for up to 2 minutes without being interrupted. The examiner listens carefully for 4 main things: fluency and coherence, vocabulary range, grammar range, and accuracy and pronunciation. Now we will learn a simple and powerful structure that makes it easy to speak naturally for 2 full minutes. It is called the 4-step formula. Let's break it down together. 1. Introduction. 2. Main idea. 3. Example or story. 4. Reflection. If you use this formula in every topic, you will always sound confident, organized, and fluent. Let's look at one of the most common topics. The cue card says, describe a person you admire. You should say who this person is, how you know them, what they did, and explain why you admire them. Now I will show you how to build a full, high-band answer using our 4-step structure. First, begin with the introduction, like this. I'd like to talk about my university teacher. She has always been someone I deeply respect and admire. Second, add your main idea. Describe the person clearly. She was patient, dedicated, and truly inspiring. Her lessons were a breath of fresh air, and she always made learning enjoyable. Third, add an example. Tell a small story that supports your idea. Once she stayed after class to help me with my pronunciation. When I finally got it right, I was over the moon. It felt like the icing on the cake of my learning journey. Finally, add your reflection. Explain why this person matters to you. Hands down, she left a lasting impression on me and became my role model. She changed the way I think about learning and life. Now, let's review the useful vocabulary with Arabic meanings. Patient, صبور, مخلص أو متفان. Inspiring, ملهم. Role model, قدوة. Changed my life, غير حياتي. Here are the idioms we used in our answer. They make your English sound more natural and advanced. A breath of fresh air. نسمة تغيير منعشة. Over the moon. في غاية الفرح. The icing on the cake. الشيء الإضافي الجميل الذي جعل التجربة أفضل بلا منازع. ترك أثرا دائما. Now shadow me to train your pronunciation and intonation. Repeat each line with the same rhythm and emotion. I was over the moon with her feedback. Her class was a breath of fresh air. That teacher left a lasting impression on me. Now it's your turn. Choose any person you admire, a friend, teacher, or family member. Write 4 short notes, 1 for each step. Introduction, main idea, example, and reflection. Then speak for 2 minutes without stopping. Record your answer. After that, shadow my model again. Do this every day for 1 week. You will notice guaranteed improvement in your speaking. Let's recap what we learned today. In Part 2, the examiner gives you 1 minute to plan and 2 minutes to speak. Use the 4-step formula: introduction, main idea, example, and reflection. Use idioms naturally and shadow to master your intonation. The more you listen and repeat, the faster your improvement. This program was created by AI after studying the fastest and most reliable ways to improve IELTS speaking scores. Listen again and again. Your improvement is guaranteed. You are doing excellent work. Keep going, believe in yourself, and never skip a single episode. تابع السلسلة كاملة ولا تفوت الحلقة الجاية لأنها ممكن تكون سبب نجاحك في الآيلتس.